to the employee to appear before a disciplinary committee, which were postponed at the request of the employee. Thereafter, it sent a third invitation, which the employee refused to honor entirely. What is the implication of squandering the termination process in this way? Right, let's look at it at a glance. Both the employer and the employee play a crucial part in ensuring that disciplinary hearings achieve their intended outcome of a fair hearing. However, if an employer presents a fair opportunity for the employee to be heard, but the employee squanders their chance of deferring and then not attending their disciplinary hearing, the employer can take decisive action to terminate the employee so long as they can demonstrate that they follow